nice to meet you to this new Wickbit show. Yeah. Ferdinand from Willhaben sent me this pack, and let's have a look. Oh, hey, come on. What is this? You can use it for your glass, drinking glass. I mean, this is unbelievable. Who sent me this? I don't drink wine. I don't drink beer. Sent me this. Ah, but it's well packed. What is inside? Ah, come on. This cannot be here. Unbelievable. People who send me a pack would like to doing this. Ah, sir. Ah, don't have so much space. Aha. What's inside? Oh, it's a CD player. Samsung. A Samsung again? No, hey, come on. That cannot be. This is not joke. It's a Samsung. You cannot believe. First I got this Samsung, and now I got the same Samsung. It's also this. Look. Look at this. This is so funny to pull out. I mean, no cable. Yeah, what shall we do? What I found in the box was this cable, and we must have a watch on it, connecting this to the power plug and switch it on. And what's happened? Nothing. Oh, Holy Ghost! There is not Lady Igora Batslika. Aha, Igor Batslika Musica mode. Aha. He sent me this CD. I don't understand. Aha, okay. This is the same system. Very funny. It's also Samsung. What is the number? The number is CD42R, and the other was a 44R. I cannot believe. Plug it off and let's have a repair party. Adrian Black will say it's a party. That's a joke, eh? Come on. I mean, why are they sending me Samsung? Because this hi-fi stereo is written on it. Yeah, well, that's correct. It's stereo. The CD Red Book is also stereo written inside. But now we know the mechanism. It's a 38 belt, and the 38 belt will. Let's build out the drive. I hope so. They are all things. But first we must First we must disconnect this. Zack. Put it here and back, and then we open up this left hand screwing. This is interesting. Down here, and what shall I say to this? This is the second machine, and it's also Samsung, but I recommend this Samsung have a bigger motherboard, and the other was smaller motherboard, but also have the same issues like the other machine. We disconnect it from the motherboard, but the connectors are the same. And hands on. But what shall I say? It's not loosen here on this side. What can be? It's simple. It's gone. Springs, where are my springs? Oh, all 4 springs here. And the same system with the same problem. That means the lifetime is limited, I think so by 10 years or so. Then you have it limited. In this case we operate out the thing of here. We can remember from the 44R model. And okay, I put all remember in this compartment, and I would like to put this out and this out, and we will see that the same issue is occurred after a running time. Look at this. It's a little bit loosen, but we put it away and we can use it in the other tape deck also. No, look, this is never more around circle. It's a form like egg forming. Yeah. And now we would like to clean up this with a sponge stick. Look, here's the sponge stick, and with isopropyl. I showed you this in the last time as often. It's a standard to clean up plasticky things, and but now it's wet and we would like to clean it. Look, we clean it like this. We move it around, and also the black one is also should be clean, because from fat and tar and all these things that are coming in the air. Look, it's yellowing. Yeah, this is interesting. Why it's yellowing? This is alcohol, and don't drink this. It's not good for you, for your health. Look at this. I think maybe it's like cigarette smoke or stuff like this. No, or is yellowing without ultraviolet light. How could that be? How could that be? We must have a watch in the box and through the belt. And the belt box is here. Now 40, we said 30, 40 is too, 45 is too big, and the other ones was 100, a lot of 60, 50, 40, 45. I think these are the wrong things, the wrong belts. But we have another box too. It's a 38. It's empty from the last repair. 35 we can use. Yeah, 35. Oh, what is this? This is 30. It's too small. I think so. 35 we can use. I hope so. The grip will come, but I only have 2 or 3 parts of this. I got I paid 26 euros for all, but the main is 35, 38, 40, 45. The main belt diameters in CD players. I found out. So, what we're gonna do? We installed it now. What's happened with this? We must fix the first issue, and this means we putting this around here, and you can see it. That's not good. It's from the other side. I must do the lower first and then this. Okay. It looks like nice, and it's in the same position. Now we do the other side. The upper side is easier to do because they don't have a... Oh, look, huh? This is cute and stiff. We installed it back. As we mentioned it in the older one thing, we installed it back with the original screws. Don't lose them, because these are special plastic, for plastic. It cuts her own thread in the plastic, and so I'd like to have this here. Also, we can clean up the things here, the laser pickup. Oh, we do that. We disconnect this here. Oh, it's not good, and this here, it's very easy to get out. Here we have the laser pickup. We must clean this, and we ultrasonic this like the older show. I take this SpongeBob sponge stick, I would like to say, and clean up the laser pickup transportation. And this is very important to clean this, because only to lubricate on this old oil on it, this is not the way to repair this correct. You must do this. Look, if you see it better here. Look, you go inside and turning around clockwise, not clockwise, anti-clockwise, and doing this on both sides. Also here, you must do this here. This is very important that you do this, because the dirt is inside. The dirt is inside, and the old oil will come out, or should be come out, because this is stopping the movement. And we must clean inside this, and after this cleaning, the steel rod can run on this. This is a special combination from different metals. Look, the dirt must come out. So that's good. That's good enough. Don't clean the lens with alcohol. Or said, yeah, you must do that. Don't do that. A little bit spit is enough, but this lens is very clean. You can see it here. It's clean enough. And what's happened if the lens is inside dirt from the smoke? This is a very interesting question. What you can do? Oh, I will have a watch. I hope so. The ultrasonic is finished. The rods are finished. Here we have the two metal parts, and yeah, we got a lubrication, but this is not, you need other lubrication for this, and we're doing this 2 times and taking up this with the sponge to oil this. It's a little bit, but it's good. More is too much, and smells like we take this laser pickup and we put it, we would like to insert it, but it's no insertion possible. we take one of these metal sticks and bring it in to the transportation. Could not, I think it could not play, the player couldn't play. That was the worst thing. Ferdinand, the player, couldn't play because this was too strong. And we put up this inside here. And the Schnappi, you see the Schnappi here? It's closing that cannot fall out. It is important. Oh, losing spring. So, look. And now we put this again. Oh, it's very much. We put a little bit on here and on this side with the spongy stick, and then we move with this on the other side. Ah, it's much better. I can feel it. This is really no joke. Ah, this is super. This oil is special for rusted screws. So it's from, look, it's from 91, 31, 91. Look at this date code is here. 91, the 3rd, 31. I think it's January because there are no 31 months. Interest. So, and back. Oh, much better. That sounds good. Look at this. It's super. It's really super. Smooth and ha ha ha. Well, I must initialize it. So, super. Next step what we're gonna do is to bring in the drive and make the first running test. So this is fixed. Hey, what is this? What went wrong here? Aha, here is went wrong. But the springs are all in, and we connect the drive to make the first test if it is running or not, and then we can see if we can close the body, the deck, or we cannot close. Okay, this looks like good. It's good. Power supply. I need power. And then going back. Cannot go out. Why? Hey, what are you gonna do here in this case? I think so the drive was not correct. And out. Maybe they I think they destroyed it. Come on. You got new belt. You must come out. This switch around here. I think this is the. And The motor is spinning. I think so, the motor is spinning. Go back and go out. Okay, so we must rebuild. We must build it out again. What shall I say? It's not correct working, and I think so. The gear is a little bit in chaos, in confusion, and we must have a watch on it. What this have? Ah, sus. Come on. The gear is not in operation. That means we must have a near inspection of this. Why is not working exactly? Is the position not correct? Because it's very easy to understand. It's going back. So this means it checked. Now the thing is coming up, and now it's something blocking. But what is the blocking? Aha, it's blocking. But what is the blocking? What blocks the? What is the issue that block? Aha, this Schnappi. I think they cannot kick out this Schnappi. But why is the Schnappi not kicking out this? Very funny, huh? It's not moving up, and then let's have a watch what this happen can. Going to read the disk and back to eject. That works. That works fine. And now it comes to this point. On one side it's funny, but who is doing this? This is maybe this person who is doing this working in a computer company and programming computers, or our engineer doing like this. Crazy. Then they said, hey, I'm an engineer, I can repair your CD player. I mean, what the hell is that? Come on. I'll show you the failure. The failure is not here. The failure is on the other side. The failure is here, on this gear. Here, on this gear. This gear don't move around anymore, and here is the failure. But not here on the back side. You have the... it's really hard to understand. For me it's hard to understand. You fighting again a lever, and this lever is not the problem. Bullshit clue. I have no idea why someone came to this solution. We must remove all these, because if one of them stands up, so we have the problem again, yeah, with stopping it here. This is a good method to get this away. Maybe some is broken, but this is not broken. I don't understand. Please write in the comments if you understand things like this. I found out that I cleaned the glue here. So, zack, that was fixed. You see that? That black thing you don't forgot. And okay, here is the spring from the holder. So I go back now with the drive. You see this? Snappy. And the laser goes here. Look, the laser pickup went here and push this lever. And this lever eject this thing. In our case, I removed this, the CD motor, the holder. It was hard to remove, but I remove it. And now I would like to think this gear and this gear seems to be the same size. But what is this doing here? It's we must we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. Should be have 18, and this gear, I make a mark on it. And, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18. It's the same size as this, but we must lift it up. Can we lift it up? What do you think? This is I would like to lift it up here. Oh, it's going up. But it's very dangerous to bend the motor here. This is a very dangerous thing, but we must do that because hey, come on, that's gonna be easy. Here we have it. Here we are. Focus. Where is the focus? Mr. Focus. You see? Cool. And if you can put this up, we need a much bigger end. What went wrong here? Something went wrong. I see it. Something went wrong, but I don't know why. I can maybe come under this. This is correct. Super. Look. It's not so easy, but could be. Could be. Yes. Come up. Yes. And this I put here. Back to this place. I don't know what's happened with this, but this is only the distance. I think it's a... What I think is... This is a second gear in the same size. But I cannot press it in. Because this was the counterpart. Yeah. We must we must. Can that be maybe a big schnappy? Oh no, it's too dangerous. How we can fix this? We don't would like to press it on, but it's very complicated to see. Maybe it's dirty inside. A little bit we can do a cleanup. It's inside a little bit dirty. So we're gonna do here this. It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. What? It looks like not so bad. This is my microphone. That's the microphone finish. I'm very sorry for the audio. It's the microphone was off, and these radio microphones turned sometimes off. I don't know why, but it is so. I put in here 2 new screws. These are normal, and now must have a small test. Go back, go up, went front, and end. Okay? Go back, go in. Snap down. Laser went to the center, near the center. Laser is on. Okay. So, we hope that we can build it in and make the test. Now I built in the drive, and let's open it. Oh, it works, maybe. Fingers crossed. Oops. Aha. 10 titles, okay. Looks like that is playing, but maybe the ring is too high or too low. Maybe the ring is too high or too low. Could that be? This is not good, what I see. I think this is too high. Now go in. Be in. Now. Doing tack. No, stop. Ah. That's too low. Oh. Tweet. Aha, now it's initializing faster. And it plays, but not well. It's like Maybe they changed the potentiometers here. Ah, my gosh. They changed the working point because the operation amplifier runs in the wrong direction. First, if it's initialized. Ah, my gosh. They're doing only bullshit on this machine. I know this. I feel it. There's something, a guy who turned these potentiometers. But there are now four potentiometers. Okay. One is... what should I do? Should I make a photo or what now? Could not be. It's mechanical problem. Now repair that. We found out all what happened. In my case, I repaired this, and you see this defect. It's a wheel and broken teeth. Two of them are failed. So, fingers crossed. And take the number 9. I hope so. This is initializing. Oh, it's initializing. Yeah, cool. And 1, 2, 3, 9. 9. Yeah. Cool. In the picture back, you can see the EFM package. This is the package where the data came from, the CD, and you see it works. Yeah. Unbelievable. But Samsung, I can't find a service manual how to align this this problem with the EFM package and so on. This is only what happened. Yeah. It's a big mysterium how the glue came into this drive. And yes, the Samsung CDH 42R player is working again. The mysterium about the glue, I don't know where it came from, and it's very difficult to say if someone else is doing this. But in fact is that I clean it and I have the mismatch that I cannot find a service manual. This is a big problem, and so I do it only by feeling. And you hear it works, and yeah, also self-burned CDs are running on it. If you're interested in my channel, please subscribe and or sponsor me at Patrons. If you are interested in all technical hi-fi systems and optical reading systems like the CD player. And thank you very much to Robbie Strike for the sponsoring, for subscription. Yeah, that's very nice. That was a very cool feeling for me. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.